Alright, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over Gmail offline. Now, you need to have Google Chrome installed in order to do this. So, let me go to my Google Chrome, which I have open right here. I'm going to log into my account. So let's do WarnerJosh636 at gmail.com. I'm going to enter my password. Okay, let's hit next. Okay, I'm going to try that again. There we go. All right, now what it's going to do, in order to access this, we need to go to Settings, click the wheel here, and then do Settings again. And what it's going to do is, let's go to Offline. Okay, I'm going to enable Offline Mail. Store emails for the last 30 days. Download attachments. It's going to use 8 megabytes of 31 gigs available for offline mail on your computer. That's what I have left on my hard drive. After logging out of Gmail, please choose one of the following. Keep offline data on my computer, remove offline data. I recommend removing it, only because that way it will kind of optimize your machine. If you keep it off, if you keep the data offline on your computer and it's way bigger than 8 megabytes, it's going to bog down your system. So I would remove it, and let's save the changes. Okay. So that's going to kick off. Okay. Okay, it's ready for offline. Okay, so let's do Gmail offline. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect from my internet here and refresh this, and it should still work. Now, if I go to Google, I have nothing, but I can play the game that they have. I really like this game. Okay, I died. Let me go back. Let's go to drafts. Now, clearly there's nothing in here, okay? But it's unable to sync because there's no connection. So what it's going to do is, let's say that you have a lot of emails. Let's say you have 5 gigs of stuff, right? It's going to sync all that up, and then when you get disconnected, you'll have access to all that. So let me log back in now on my Wi-Fi here. Now if I refresh, yep, now I'm back up and running. So let's do one thing here just to kind of show you an example. So let's do test. Okay, and then I'm going to put a couple more in here. So let's do test 2. And let's compose one last time and do test 3. Now just send this to your own email. That way you can just fill your inbox. And then I'm going to disconnect from my Wi-Fi again. And I'm going to refresh this or reload. And then we have access to it. Okay, and you see this check mark up here, ready for offline. So it's grabbed everything that we have in our inbox, and it gives you the ability to do that. Now, to compose a message, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to do test 4, and let's see if that sends or if it will save it in the queue. It saves it in the queue. So it says offline message will be sent later. So it's in the outbox. Okay. So you can get a lot of work done this way, because what it does is, also if you're getting more emails and you can't access those because you're offline, it allows you to focus on what you're working on, because it's easy to get pulled away and get distracted. So that's Gmail offline. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.